Hi guys and welcome back to the AMCrypto channel. My name is Alex and I will show you today some juicy Bitcoin analysis here and also maybe some other coins. So definitely stick around for that if you think that's interesting. I've prepared some amazing content here today that I will definitely go through. So you should definitely not miss out on this, and if you think that's interesting, then definitely smash up the like button, also subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on this amazing content. And now let's get here directly in without wasting here any time. So the Bitcoin price was forming here on the 4-hourly chart in inverse head and shoulders, as we have seen here. So with the neckline coming in here. So, and it looked like today that we potentially get a breakout here to the upside. So, but when I looked at the volume, I did not see any follow through, no volume spike here. So that could support further upwards movement in the Bitcoin price. And that was also the reason why I didn't open a new Bitcoin position, a new Bitcoin long, because I saw here based on the volume that we might see here a fake out and that we potentially will come back down here and then also go potentially much lower. So, but how did I see this morning? So first of all, I was looking at the 1-hourly chart, because here it looked like that we start to trend up, which we also did here in that channel. So, and technically we are still respecting that channel, but we are close to fall out of this. So, and when I looked at this, I looked at the stochastic RSI. So I was outside. So, and I saw on stochastic RSI here already that we are topping out on a stochastic RSI, that we are overbought there and that we might see a correction. So, and that was then also what happened here. Bitcoin price started to go sideways, and on the 4-hourly chart, the Bitcoin price did the same thing on stochastic. So here you see we tried to break out here, got into overbought conditions, and now we are starting to go down. So that was how I got to the conclusion that we will not see here a breakout to the upside and reach a target all the way up here at $25,450, and instead most likely see a so-called Hail Mary trade where a normal head and shoulders or even an inverse head and shoulders goes the opposite way. So it looks like invalidated, but then actually comes back and goes to the target or even lower than that. So that's what I'm waiting for now. That's why I also have here still this potential trade open. So this trade idea here open, I have not deleted it. So where the entry is at $20,600 all the way down to $18,000 approximately. So I'm still waiting patiently for this trade to happen as soon as the price comes close here to our entry level. So when we're looking on the daily chart, there things looking for now a little bit different, but still are not convincing me here 100%. Only the MACD is really looking bullish here. So when we are looking on a stochastic RSI, if it goes here now higher, so even though if we get here a buy signal on the MACD, it would be not for me super bullish, because we are also getting here really close then again to the overbought region. So, and we potentially fake then out here on the MACD where we see something like this happening. So then we have the same problem again. So here you see, so this would be then here a potential sell signal again. So, and we will then just continue to be here in red candles along the way, something similar like here. So, and for that reason, I would be really cautious right now with any long positions as long as we don't have a clear picture what's going on, and would rather wait on the sideline, or you play here this short once this is happening. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade, then you can go to Bybit. There you still get $4,050 if you use my specific link here, and with that you can claim that bonus. Bybit has also something new that I wanted just to show you really quick. They have now grid bot trading on Bybit. So I just want to show you quick how it works, because I want to test this. So here I choose in which price range I want to trade in. So for example, let's say Oh no, sorry, that was the wrong coin. Let's say I want to do it on Matic. So it's at, so then the lowest range is 50 cents. The upper range I can make $1. Can also autofill this. So and then let me make a number of 2 grids. So there you see my profit is exponentially higher if I do it with 2 grids. So I use $500, or let me actually use $250. So then I can create this grid, create, and there you go. Now I have the grid bot running. See here, the grid bot is running. So here it's running on Matic. So and I can choose any time to take the profit once I'm running here into profit. Right now I'm just waiting that this, yeah, basically sets. It's that easy, guys. So let's also have a quick look on Ethereum, because Ethereum is behaving a little bit different than Bitcoin right now. Here also we have a inverse head and shoulders pattern. Let me show it to you guys like this. So and here we have broken to the upside with a green candle right now. So you see here's the left shoulder, here's the head, here's the right shoulder. So and the technical target for this Ethereum trade, if you want to take it on Bybit, so that would be all the way up here at $1,460 approximately. Also really close again to our key level that we have to retake so that Ethereum can try to breach $2,000 here again. So, but also here the candle is not looking really healthy on the 4-hourly chart right now. So be also careful here. Let's also have a look here on stochastic RSI overbought conditions. So what I would potentially do is I would open a long position and a short position with a second account and hedge both positions. So and my entry level would be for both trades. So for the short, it would be here, $1,170 for my short position. But for my long position, I would enter now, and then my stop would be at $1,170. So either way, maybe we lose a little bit of money on the long position if it goes now, yeah, down again. So or the long position may is getting stopped out at some point, and there we lose then a little bit of money, but then we can close it and the other trade will actually cover the loss for yeah, for that trade that went wrong. So my stop loss for the short would be at $1,200, no, actually higher because we are so close. $1,220 would be approximately 1,250. 1,250. There I would set my stop for the Ethereum short. So for the long, it would be 1,170. Remember, short 1,250. There would be my stop losses for this trade. So either way, if you get stopped out, the other trade will continue to go, and that will then actually make you the profits that you are looking for. Guys, that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed this really quick update here. Let me know in the comments if I should make more of these videos, also to explain a little bit what's happening on the exchanges. And don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.